Hi, I'm your student's teacher, Kim Combs. I'll be their teacher in either Health Science 1 Honors or Pharmacy Technician Honors for the spring 2022 semester. So we'll take a couple minutes to discuss both of these courses. Again, I wish I had the opportunity to meet you all. However, COVID took that from us again. So instead, you just get to enjoy this little presentation about the classes that your student will be taking. We'll start off talking about Health Science 1. And Health Science 1 is a foundational course for students who are interested in maybe one day pursuing a career in healthcare. Even though this is a beginning level course, there is a lot of content. So this is a very fast-paced course. Again, a lot of content. By the end of the course, your student will have gained a lot of knowledge about human anatomy, physiology, disorders and diseases, and then also we will give some information about different careers that have to do with each body system that we'll be learning about. So I'm hopeful that by the end of the course, your student will either decide, yes, a career in healthcare is for me, or maybe not, I want to pursue my other interests. So that would be the goal of this course. Now, there are some benefits of enrollment in Health Science 1, and the main one is that this is an introductory level course at Green Hope High School. So after successfully completing Health Science 1, your student has the opportunity to take other courses in the Green Hope Health Science Department. The courses that we currently offer are Health Science 2, Biomedical Technology 1 and 2, and Pharmacy Technician. Another benefit of successful completion of Health Science 1 is that your student will have the opportunity to join HOSA, which is a student technical organization where they get to compete in activities that are related to healthcare, different knowledge activities related to healthcare. So that's always something fun that the students like to do if they so choose. And again, you have to take Health Science 1 in order to participate in that organization. Here's a copy of the syllabus. I know you can't see it very well from here. However, there is a copy of the syllabus on my website, and also students can access a copy via our Canvas module. But the most important things that I wanted to point out here are that our course information will be on Canvas. That is our LMS that we're using this semester. Will be on Canvas, and then also there is a state final exam for this class, and that exam must be taken on campus at Green Hope, and there is no senior exemption. So those were a couple main points that I wanted to point out before we shift gears and talk about Pharmacy Technician. The Pharmacy Technician course is designed so that by the end of this semester, your student will have not only successfully passed this course, but also successfully passed the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board exam, so that by graduation, they are able to go out and work in a pharmacy as a technician. Of course, this is a wonderful experience if they do plan on pursuing a career in healthcare one day, as well as a great resume builder, in addition to just a wonderful side job when they're going off to college or whatever their post-secondary plans are. In Pharmacy Technician, students are going to learn all about law that is associated with pharmacy, all of the medications and their effects on major body systems, and then the operations of a pharmacy, so that again, by the time they complete this course, they are able to work as a pharmacy technician. Here is a copy of the course syllabus. Again, this can be found on my website. A couple key points here. Our class will be run on Canvas, and also your student will be required to take the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board exam by the end of this semester for successful completion of the course. And if they do not take that exam or do not pass that exam, they do have to take a teacher-made final exam. So those were just some important things that I wanted to point out. For both of my courses, just some general classroom expectations is that the student brings their Chromebook or laptop with them daily. Quizzes and tests will be taken on Canvas, so they will need access to that. It's also expected that students do check their Wake County email regularly. This is the only way that we can communicate with them. Can't send emails to personal accounts, so that is another expectation. We do always encourage students to actively participate, as this is the way that they are going to learn and understand and master material better. Cell phone usage during class is a big deal. It's a problem right now. So I encourage you to hopefully speak with your students, as will I, about appropriate cell phone usage during class. Expected that students turn in work on time, and of course reach out to me in the event of an absence. With the current state that our country is in, it is very possible that students might be out on quarantine for extended periods of time. So it is expected that they keep in touch with me and keep up with the coursework while they're out. And again, classroom expectations for Health Science 1, they must complete a state final exam, and for Pharmacy Tech, they must complete the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board exam. Here's my contact information. It's easiest to reach me via email. And just be aware that during the semester, I may reach out to you through email or through talking points, which sends a text message to your cell phone. So just be aware of those things, as I may reach out to you, but you can also reach out to me whenever you need to. I'm hoping for a successful semester. And again, if you need anything, or if you feel like your student needs anything, feel free to reach out to me whenever. I wish I could have met you all, but I hope you have a wonderful day.